How to disable Lark Player app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of notifications from Lark Player and you wish to put an end to this, then let me show you how you can do it step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to do this, you need to access the app info page through settings or using a shortcut, which is just long pressing on your app, and you should see app info. Depending on your smartphone version, you might be missing this, but you should see the name of the app or a settings gear. Tap on any of this to access Lark Player app info page. At this point, go to permission section, and under it you should see notifications. So if I tap on notifications, you can see all these notifications are on. Among them, play sound, vibration, permanent, lock screen, float screen, as well as notification badges. To turn all of them off at once, just toggle off show notifications and they'll be disabled. And as you can see, the pop-up from Lark Player that was on top here, it's gone. From now, you'll never again receive any alerts from Lark Player music app unless you turn these on again. So that's how you can permanently disable notifications from Lark Player music app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.